fear. Fingers touch a gentle trace. Moments slow, we hold this space. Eyes meet as the silence speaks. All I need is what I seek. Let the morning stay with us. Tender souls, no rush, no fuss. Every heartbeat, every glance pulls me deeper into chance. Morning light, you feel like home. With you here, I'm not alone. Hold me close, don't let it go. In this dawn, our love will grow. Morning light, soft and true. Everything begins with you. No more night, no more disguise. Just your warmth before my eyes. Shadows fade, the sky turns gold. Stories of the night unfold. Every smile, a secret told. Every touch, a hand to hold. We don't speak but understand. Love's a rhythm, soft and planned. Every second stretched and free. In your arms is where I'll be. Let the morning stay with us. Tender souls, no rush, no fuss. Every heartbeat, every glance pulls me deeper into chance. Morning light, you feel like home. With you here, I'm not alone. Hold me close, don't let it go. In this dawn, our love will grow. Morning light, soft and true. Everything begins with you. No more night, no more disguise. Just your warmth before my eyes. Softly now, the world awakes. Every shadow slowly breaks. Feel your pulse, feel it near. Every sunrise draws you here. Morning light fades into day. Still I feel your heart your way. Every dawn I find